Hi everyone, so welcome back. Today we're gonna be making a in Toca Boca world. This is my first building video. I mean, I've also done videos, but this is like my first building one, so I'm gonna be doing kind of like a series for this. So I'm gonna be doing it in the apartment building. I chose the apartment building because I just feel like it kind of has like a lot of room and stuff. It has an elevator like it and stuff, so I feel like that works better than like the free mall, because I feel like it just gives you a lot of room to work and stuff. So today we're building a Barnes Noble. So let's get started. It'll be a quick transition soon. Alright, so here's the finished result for the bottom level. I think it looks cute, but I definitely can do better. I mean, it looks like a Barnes Noble though, but I decided to do this idea because I feel like no one has done it, so here we are. Alright, so now I'm just gonna be writing book. I don't know, like, I have really bad handwriting. Also, I'm not using a stylus at the time because I was in the car, so like, give me a break, okay? It doesn't look good, but it gets the job done. Here's this, like, the second floor. Well, technically it's the 0th floor, but the second floor for the Barnes Noble. So this is gonna be like the kids section. So yeah. Finished result. Alright, so here's the finished result. I think it looks super good. I think it turned out okay. It's probably not my favorite build I've made, but it gets the job done. I think it's pretty cute.